What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on Bome because once again this coin is forming pretty interesting trading setup that I want you to know about. So if you are interested about the exact trade, about exact entry, exact stop loss, exact take profit target that I'm planning to take on this coin, of course if certain conditions are met, then definitely watch this video till the end. But before that I would like to ask you if you like my videos and you like my analysis. I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under a video because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So yeah, thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 1 hour chart. Right now we are forming here this triangle, which is a neutral setup. So to open here a long trade, I want to see first of all here a breakout and then support confirmation. And if this condition is met, then I think that there can be a higher probability that this coin can continue go up. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So stop loss in this case you need to put somewhere back to this triangle. It really just depends on the risk reward ratio that you want to have. So if you want to have better risk reward ratio, you can simply, let's say, set a lower stop loss. But your last take profit targets, me personally, I would put it above this previous heights, which will give you an opportunity to have a trade here with risk reward ratio around 12.8. And of course, if you will choose, let's say, bigger stop loss, then the risk reward ratio, of course, will be smaller. But let's now stick to the 12 risk reward ratio. In this case, it will be also really important to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits definitely take under this previous high, then under this previous high, then under this previous high, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 9, which is in my opinion still really good. Keep in mind that taking profits on a coin like this is really important, because no matter what the technical analysis is, there are always some outside factors, so the coin can just dump out of nowhere. So once there is some profit, for example the risk reward ratio, to move your stop loss to entry or to a break even, so you can turn your profitable position into a loss and then take some of the profits. And because this is a neutral setup, there is of course an opportunity to open here a short trade. So if there will be breakdown and then resistance confirmation of this triangle, then there is a high probability that this coin will go down. In my opinion, the short trade here is not that interesting because simply we have here historically a lot of supports. So if you will, for example, set your last take profit target above this previous week high, it will give you only risk reward ratio like 4.5. If you will choose, let's say, smaller stop loss, the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 6, and the trade will be really risky. But also, as I said, we have here many supports, so you will need to take some of the profits like here, then some of the profits here, and then you will need to save some back to the last take profit target. So from the risk reward ratio like 5 to 6, the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 3.84, something like that, which is in my opinion actually not that great. So me personally, I am more of a fan of that potential long scenario. Another setup that we can take here is a long one, because if there will be, for example, a price rejection and then we are gonna go test this support, I think that this support, if there will be a support confirmation, can be also a good opportunity to open here a long position, because if we are gonna test this area, we will take all of the important liquidity under these important lows. So there will be a lot of stop loss, let's say, realizations. So stop loss, again, in this trade, you can place it under this support or under the low that we will create during the fake out. So if the market will do, let's say, breakdown, fake out, then pull back up again, and then support confirmation, as I said, support confirmation is extremely important, you can set your stop loss just under that low, and your last take profit targets, well, you can aim for the same take profit target as with the previous trade, but actually you don't have to, because now you will be aiming for a risk reward ratio like 20. So yeah, that's kind of a lot. So you can feel free to, for example, put it under this previous high, and don't forget to take large amount of the profits under this resistance. So if the market will do, let's say, for example, something like this, collect a lot of profits here, because then the triangle can simply continue and there can be a breakdown, because this is still a neutral setup, and then again move your stop loss to entry or to a break even, so you can turn your profitable position into a loss. Okay, so these were actually the main setups that I'm currently watching on this coin, because this coin is relatively new. We don't have here any interesting supports or like setups on the higher time frame. So if you, for example, like my analysis and you want to know about all the altcoins that I'm currently watching, or if you simply want to copy my exact trades, you can join my Discord trading group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.